Hey guys, and an exclusive information on the OnePlus 9 series. So I can confirm the model number of OnePlus 9 is LE2110. I am seeing the OnePlus 9 Pro in 3 variants, LE2117, 2119 and 2120. Yeah, this all is normal. Shocking part is I can also confirm that OnePlus is working on a smartphone with model number LE2127. This could be a part of OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro, or maybe they are working on a third smartphone. Some rumors from China also suggest that we may see 3 phones in the OnePlus 9 series. The article says OnePlus may launch a mid-tier phone, like some specifications from 9 and some specifications from the 9 Pro. But yeah, I cannot confirm that news at all, so take this with a grain of salt. See, I can confirm the launch of OnePlus 9 series is set for mid-March, which is way early than usual. Reason is Samsung, Xiaomi all announcing their phones way early, so in order to get into the competition, they have to launch it early. Now on the specification side, it is confirmed to feature Snapdragon 875 5G CPU, the 5nm silicon. The 875 5G codename is Lahaina and it scores 8,99,000 in Master Lu benchmark test. ChatStation compares this test to Kirin 9000 CPU and the overall score of Huawei CPU was 9,02,000. Yeah, not a huge difference cause both are based on 5nm process, so a similar performance was expected. We also got Xiaomi's Mi 11 Geekbench scores running 875 5G CPU and Adreno 660 GPU, and single core score is 1100 and multi-core score is 3500. Shockingly, this score is less than the score of Exynos 2100 and also A14 Bionic CPU. The iPhone 12 Geekbench scores are like 1500 plus in single core and 4000 plus in multi-core, so that is a huge performance gap. Do note the 875 5G scores are initial scores without optimization, and that also of Mi 11 running MIUI. So let's see how much OnePlus can pull this off, if they can match the performance or scores similar to A14 or Exynos CPU or not. Some cool news. So a few days back, OnePlus made the Cyberpunk 80 official. It comes with this brand new never seen before design, has this crazy new boot animation, new software changes like animations, user interface, and also deep integration into applications UI. Like we saw the whole new dialer user interface, new city night mode in camera where you can turn the night images into cyberpunk style night city. So this all is super cool. Now taking this partnership ahead, they are again joining hands with Cyberpunk for the OnePlus Watch. You guys know OnePlus will be launching the OnePlus Watch really soon. They teased it during 80 launch event and it's their first watch. So first impression is last impression, you know. They are making a special edition watch in collaboration with Cyberpunk, and these are the black silicone straps with some yellowish accent and great design. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.